Welcome to PackageSmart. PackageSmart is a simplified, web-based LCA tool used for evaluating environmental impacts of packaging. This first tutorial will show you how to log in to PackageSmart. To get to PackageSmart, go to the URL shown on this screen. Enter the username and password given to you by Earthshift Sales, then click Log In. You can click on the Keep Me Logged In box if you want to stay logged in. If you forget your password, you can click on the Forgot Password tab and enter your email address. Click Submit and your password will be emailed to you. Upon logging in to PackageSmart, select the company or group you want to work in. If you only have rights to one company, you will not see this screen, but instead enter right into PackageSmart. If you have any questions, email support@earthshift.com or dial 802-434-3326 extension 2. The next tutorial in this series is how to select or create a project.